HS-2700 is designed to meet the needs of today's medical professionals. Experience sharper imaging and effortless usability, all in one advanced system. With a slim profile of 500mm by 480mm, this device is designed to save space. Compared to the previous version, 12.1-inch screen has been expanded to maximize the display of scan images. The direct access keys assigned to the keyboard allow you to change various settings without opening the menu. HRES is Honda resolution technology. HRES brings perfect solution for visibility. HS-2700 supports color flow mapping, power Doppler, and pulse wave Doppler modes. PW mode includes heartbeat sounds. Please select the most suitable probe for each application. We have two kinds of convex probes. HS-436 single crystal is the new one. This new probe can display deeper organs in high resolution, and it has the high Doppler gain. Also, we have the standard convex probe HS-436M. HS-575M is 50mm linear probe. It is a general liner probe. It is especially useful for the observation of superficial tissues. HS-4710MV is a transvaginal probe. It is used for obstetrics and gynecology applications. Honda Electronics has been a pioneer in ultrasound technology, developing various technologies and products since its founding 1956. In 1980, the company began developing ultrasound diagnostic devices. With years of accumulated expertise, its products have been certified and sold in various countries. If you are interested in our products, we will introduce you to a distributor in your country. Please feel free to contact us through the link in the description.